Hey, I'm Larry. This is my Zippers Performance Muscle 107. And guess what? It's going back in there. Yo, so thanks for tuning into this episode of Build, Ride, Repeat. My motor is finally going into this bike. I know it's been quite a while since I pulled the motor out of this bike and whatever, but it's done, it's complete, and it's finally going in. It's taken me a while, I admit. Not that I was dodging questions or anything, but I also started a family right when I pulled the motor out. You know, I announced when I pulled the motor out that my wife and I were expecting a baby. Ended up having a baby boy. Now we also have a baby girl as well. It seems like I've been building a lot of kids, but now my bike is going back together. So thanks for all the support, guys. Thanks for all the questions and, concerns and everything. And, the questions about the Muscle 107 about, hey, when you gonna put the motor in the bike or whatever. So it was definitely some fire, but, I got a chance to, I took the opportunity to spend time with my family. And, I'm a family guy and this is a family channel. So let me get to it and get this motor back in the frame. It ain't gonna jump in there by itself. So hold on. I really appreciate all the questions about the bike, about the Muscle 107. How does it feel? How's it ride? You will know very shortly how it rides. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification button to know when other videos are going to be uploaded or are uploaded. Yeah, I had the opportunity to spend time with my family. Everything happens for a reason. The world slowed down a little bit. And with that, I was able to spend time with my family. I know a lot of guys, a lot of people were able to jump on their bikes and just go, whatever. But yes, I would like to have done that, but I just slowed down and just did family stuff. I'm blessed and grateful, that I was afforded that opportunity to do so. I got married to my wife on this bike, and it ain't going anywhere anytime soon. So, my son and my daughters are going to grow up with this bike. So yeah.
Careful over there, dude. You know what I mean?
All right.
What you driving, the car or the van? The car?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, then holler back at me later when you get back to the house or something.
All right, I'll do that.
All right, love you, man.
All right,
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you too, big man. I'm proud of you too, Dad.
All right, then. Take it easy. It looks good, man. It looks good.
Jesus Christ.
All right, go ahead, man. Don't get frustrated. Go ahead and get it done.
All right.
All right, holler back at me. Love you, man.
All right, love you too, Dad.
Love you too, man. All right, I'll talk to you later.
All right.
All right, be careful.
All right, Dad.
All right.
So I got a good bit of work done today. Got the engine in the frame, inner primary on, primary chain adjusted. Everything's done up over here. Got my covers on. Got the dual roll bearing transmission trapdoor here for that power I'm supposed to be putting down. Basically everything's together. So the next video I'll be putting on the intake, doing the Morelli conversion, everything. Let you guys see that. And yeah, I'll be back on the road as soon as possible. Well, soon. But thanks for tuning in to this episode of Bill Right Repeat. If you like this type of stuff, please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell all your friends. Hey, if you have a Morelli bike, you might want to be subscribed to this channel. And hey, twin cams forever. But make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.